Good day, everyone. Today's episode, we're going to learn about what is curriculum evaluation and why there's a need to evaluate a curriculum. Have you ever wondered why there are changes of curriculum from time to time in the school? According to Powell 2019, curriculum evaluation is the process of obtaining information for judging the worth of an educational program, product, procedure, or educational objective, or the potential utility of alternative approaches designed to attain specified objectives. It is also concerned about finding out whether the curriculum is relevant and responsive to the needs of the society and the learners. It is a scientific and dynamic process of understanding the merit of any curriculum. According to Prent 1983, there are several important purposes and functions of evaluation in school setting. Number 1, essential in providing feedback to learners. Evaluation provides useful information in helping the students improve their performance and helps teachers identify the strengths and weaknesses of the learners. Number 2, helpful in determining how well learners have achieved the objectives. It describes whether the students learned or mastered the desired outcomes and objectives of the learners. Number 3, to improve curriculum. The result of evaluation serves as basis for improving curriculum and for suggesting innovations to improve learning. Conducting curriculum evaluation is a determinant of an academic institution or school's commitment to quality and continuous improvement. It shows how serious a school can be in realizing its philosophy, vision, and mission.
Why is there a need to evaluate a curriculum? The curriculum processes presented by Tyler, Taba, and others at the end of the line or cycle undergo an evaluation. All of them agree that planning, designing, and implementing are less useful unless there is evaluation. Here are some of the specific reasons for curriculum evaluation. First, the needs of assessment. It identifies the strengths and weaknesses of an existing curriculum. This will be the basis of the intended plan, design, or implementation. Second, the related monitoring. When evaluation is done in the middle of the curriculum development, it will tell if the design or implemented curriculum can produce or producing the desired results. Third, the terminal assessment. Based on some standards, curriculum evaluation will guide whether the results have equaled or exceeded the standards, thus can be labeled as success. Lastly, the decision makings. Curriculum evaluation provides information necessary for teachers, school managers, curriculum specialists for policy recommendation that will enhance achieved learning outcomes. To sum it up, curriculum evaluation is very important because, as what I have mentioned earlier, the planning, designing, implementing are useless without undergo the process of evaluation. Into the most important process of curriculum evaluation, books, needs assessment monitoring, terminal assessment, and decision making.
That's the end of our discussion.
Thank you, and we hope that you learned something from us. See you next episode. Bye-bye!